So for my test correction question from exam 3, I chose question number 19. It says you're asked to prepare 3-methyl-2-pentene by way of a Wittig reaction. Draw the reaction scheme showing all the reactants, reagents, and products of this reaction. So for our reactants, we have 2-butanone and the Wittig reagent, which has which is a yelid because it has a carbon with a negative charge bonded to a phosphorus atom with a positive charge, and the phosphorus atom is bonded to the 3 phenyl groups abbreviated by the pH3. And what happens in the first step is pi bond between the carbon and the oxygen of the butanone is broken, and an electron pair from that bond will attack and bond with the phosphorus atom, and the lone pair on the negatively charged carbon atom will bond and attach with the carbon atom from the ketone. So in the next step, we have a 4-membered ring in a compound known as a oxyphosphatane. The 4-membered ring consists of single bonds between the carbon and oxygen, the oxygen and the phosphorus containing the 3 phenyl groups, the phosphorus and the carbon from the Wittig reagent, and single bond now between the carbon from the Wittig reagent and the carbon from the ketone. We now have a methyl group from the ketone as well. And what happens in this step is the bond between the carbon atom and the oxygen atom is broken, and the electron pair from that bond attaches with the phosphorus atom, and the bond between the phosphorus atom and the carbon atom from the Wittig reagent is broken, and that bond forms a double bond between the 2 carbons there. So that gives us our products, 3-methyl-2-pentene and triphenyl phosphide oxide. The phosphorus double bond to the oxygen and the 3 phenyl groups. So there is the reaction scheme as a whole.